Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you on how to fix Instagram filters not working. So, let's get started. Once you open your Instagram and wanted to post a story, it should look like this. You can swipe and choose any filter you want. However, if it won't work for you, then let's fix it. First, go to Play Store or App Store and search Instagram. If your Instagram is not updated, update word should appear here, and you must click it to update the app. However, if it is already updated, let's move on to the other way. Go to your phone setting, scroll down and look for app management. Click on it, then scroll down. Tap Instagram, then click on storage usage, then tap clear the cache. In this way, this will help the app to fix some bugs and problems. So, that's how to fix Instagram filters not working. If you found this video helpful, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos.